Hello everyone. If you're getting this error when you're trying to preview any file or PDF on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the location that your file is in. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here PowerShell. Make sure to run PowerShell as an administrator. Click yes on here. Now you're going to paste this command here. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the path of your file. So right click on your file, click copy as path and paste this path on here. And then just press enter. And once you press enter, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your preview panel. When you open up your preview panel, you'll see that now you can easily preview your PDF or your files on here. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.